Did you know that it is possible to get Robux for free to spend on Roblox? And there are multiple methods. Well, we have handpicked a collection of working ways to earn Robux legally. You must do simple tasks in the method below to get Robux without spending money. Our team of experts has tried and tested these methods, and they are 100% working. And you can make a good amount of Robux using these quickly. Ensure to continue using these regularly and you'll be rich on Roblox. The first step I will be talking about is to get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft has partnered with Roblox, allowing players to earn and redeem points for free Robux. This is the newest and most effective way to get free Robux. All you have to do is join the program and browse the web with Microsoft Bing to get your favorite virtual currency for Roblox. Now, follow the steps to earn free Robux using Microsoft Rewards. Firstly, head over to the Microsoft Rewards and Robux page. Next, click the Join Now button. Next, sign in using your Microsoft account. Sign up if you don't have one. Then next, you search with Microsoft Bing using Microsoft Edge on desktop or mobile for 5 days. Once you complete the challenge, you'll receive 100 Robux gift cards. And now, you can redeem this Robux gift cards. After this challenge, you can continue to use Microsoft Bing and collect reward points. Once you have enough points, you can redeem them for a Robux gift card. Note, to receive 100 Robux for free, users must complete one Microsoft Bing search on Microsoft Edge on desktop or mobile for 5 days within 14 joins of joining the reward program. The next point I will be talking about is to earn free Robux with Roblox. Roblox is a rapidly growing game platform where you can earn points called Roblux and exchange them for Robux. You have to play the games to earn Roblux, and once you have enough of them, you can get Robux for Roblox. Follow the steps to earn Robux using Roblox. Visit Roblox and click the cabinet button. Next, you sign up or sign into your account using Google. Next, choose any game and start playing. You will earn Robux for playing games. Once you have enough Robux, redeem them for Robux. It's that simple. You have to enter your in-game Roblox to redeem Robux for Robux. However, after the recent updates, Roblox asks users to have Game Pass. The next step I will be talking about is to earn free Robux Playbyte. Playbyte is another platform that lets you play games and earn points to exchange for Robux. It is an arcade available on phones with many fun games to play. When you play the games, you will earn points. After accumulating enough of them, you can redeem Robux gift cards using them. Follow the steps to earn free Robux using Playbyte. Install the Playbyte app on your Android device or iPhone. Now, go through the games library and choose any game. Play this game and collect as many points as you can. Once you have earned enough points, go to the reward zone. Finally, use your points to redeem a Robux gift card for Roblox. That's it. You can play many games to gather points and exchange them for Robux. Now we have come to the end of today's video, and I believe that you now have different ways to get free Robux on Roblox. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel.